Yeah, hello everybody and good morning here from the Hannover Messe 2025. We are really happy to be here on the booth of Nokia as we have a new partnership together with Nokia. When you see in the background, we are presenting here our staff safety solutions, which are running in a 5G infrastructure together with Nokia. And I think it's a perfect place to show our solutions in terms of lone worker protection, in terms of scheduled maintenance, in terms of breakdown. And the whole idea is to make organizations more efficient, more safer for the employees. They feel well, they feel protected, and of course they can fully concentrate on an effective workflow. Thank you.